Hello, this is Ben from Elliott Wave. How's it going? Here's a new video analysis on the Russell, the RUT. So here's the Russell 2000. We know it's an index. It's a small cap, and it's very interesting. It's a bit different than the other main indices, the main American indices, such as the Nasdaq, the S&P, and the Dow. What they have all in common right now, as I'm recording the video, is they're all in red, which is interesting. Not bad, not good, but interesting. So with my main count here, starting from the cover lows, we have a potential 1, 2, 3, sideways 4, and then we completed with wave 5. So potentially this is a wave 1, and we could be set for a wave 2. Now, what is interesting is, if I zoom in, here we have a clear 3-wave move. The question is, do we have a bottom here in place at 1900, basically, 1901? Possible. So what we can clearly see is a 5-wave structure to the downside, down, up, and 5 down. So it is also true that until we break this low, this could also be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and that would simply mean that we are gonna get another ABC and then a larger move to the downside for a larger pullback in what I said could be potential wave 2. So let's zoom in, and I'm gonna also bring up the EMA. So we are still, let's also look at the daily. We're still in a sell territory. It's still early to call this a buy. So if we zoom in on the 4-hour, but even let's go directly on the 1 hour. The question is, as an Elliottian, can we count from here 5 waves to the upside? Well, from here it's a bit harsh, but on the 15 minutes, what I can see is, I'll do it with you right now, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 of some degree. And here I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 on 1 extra degree with an overlap. So the question is, are we getting an ABC? Possible. So this would be the first zone of support as we know it. This could be some sort of A, B, and C of something like that. Or else this looks to be a potential wave A, up for B, and then lower for C. So that would be quite interesting. We can see that we would potentially get an inverse head and shoulder on a regular TA. Here are the 5 waves I was talking to you about. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. In my opinion, it's very clear 5-wave move. Let's see if I can fix the degree as well. And here, as I said, can we get further upside? Possibly we can, but it's also possible that we do get further upside. We get this, another move to the upside, and then we go lower to form, as I said, a 5-wave sequence. Or else, what we could get is ABC for wave A, ABC for wave B, and then 5 waves to the downside for wave C. So I remain bullish, but I think as traders or investors or both, we need to be very careful during this time, because we just had, I would say, a pretty interesting sell-off. This was a 22% move, and it's something to keep an eye on, something to consider. But potentially the waves will tell us how to behave. So that was it for me today. As always, let me know in the comments if you like to see something else, and if you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss out on the next updates, and leave a like if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.